Dear NA community, in this particular video, we are going to discuss contour of the abdomen. That is, when you think about the contour of the abdomen, it is also being termed as shape of the abdomen. It is considered to be one of the essential component of physical examination, which is categorized under inspection of the per abdomen. Basically, three types of the contours are possible: flat, globular, and scaphoid or boat shaped. Flat in the sense here, when you think about the chest, which is being depicted by the red line, and the abdomen, which is being indicated by the blue line, they are usually in the same plane. That is what is considered to be the flat contour, which is specifically seen in young adults or adolescents who are usually having the low weight as such. This is usually being observed. So, whereas the globular shaped abdomen, here when you think about the chest and abdomen, so the globular in the sense it will be protruded out. So this is the image what we are going to say in case of the globular shaped abdomen. This may be observed in the conditions of 5F, that is fat, fluid, flatus, fetus, and feces. So that means fat. If the person is obese, then we are going to have a globular shaped abdomen. Fluid. If there is presence of the fluid, what we can say the ascites, that is excess accumulation of the fluid in the peritoneal cavity, there may be globular shaped abdomen. Flatus. If the person is suffering from, what do you say, that the non-passage of the flatus in the through the anus, that is what we can say obstipation, there will be globular shaped abdomen. Fetus. So in the women who are in the third trimester of pregnancy, there will be globular shaped abdomen and feces. Due to the accumulation of the fecal matter in excess quantity, there may be a possibility of a globular shaped abdomen. So these are the conditions where we are going to see the globular shaped abdomen. The another one, that is what we can say the scaphoid shaped abdomen or boat shaped abdomen. When you think about chest and abdomen, the abdomen will be in the convex side. So that means it will be just looking like the boat. So this is specifically seen in the conditions who are having the severe malnutrition. For example, in case of the cancer cachexia, or the person is suffering from anorexia nervosa, or the person is suffering from chronic the abdominal, what do you say, that the disturbances, in those occasions there may be a possibility of a scaphoid abdomen. The take home messages from today's discussion are: contour of the abdomen is nothing but the shape of the abdomen. It is one of the inspection finding of the per abdominal examination. Three types of the contours are possible: flat, globular, or scaphoid. Flat is normally seen in young adolescents who are having normal body weight. Globular shaped abdomen, wherein the abdomen will be just like globe protruded out when you compare the chest wall, seen in 5F, fat, fluid, feces, flatus, and fetus. And scaphoid, where the boat shaped abdomen, so that is seen in chronic debilitating nutrition deficiency diseases. That's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.